Meaning of hadn't.
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 Hadn't. Hadn't is a contraction of had not. It is used to indicate a past action or state that did not occur. Specifically, it describes a situation where something was not done or did not happen at a certain point in the past. For example, I hadn't finished my homework when the teacher asked for it. This indicates that at the time the teacher asked for the homework, the speaker had not yet completed it. Overall, hadn't is a useful word in English grammar to describe negated past actions or states.